Hello guys, you're welcome back. Ultimate Love David Wilson shared loved up moments with his lover Presh Tucker. See what fans said. David Wilson is an entertainer, master of ceremony, popularly referred to as MC. He is 34 years old who hails from Bayelsa State, and though he is a MC, he has been confirmed not to be the anxious kind of person as regards relationship. He is an open-minded person who also believes in change. David Wilson is a blunt man who was one of the love guests in the just concluded Ultimate Love show. Presh Tucker, on the other hand, many people have suggested that Precious' beautiful eyes could be a window to people's soul, and it seems she agrees. Her eyes are her favorite physical features. Precious, fondly known as Presh Tucker, is also a MC, TV show and content creator. She is also 27 years old. David Wilson and Presh Tucker met in the just concluded Ultimate Love show. At the beginning of the show, David was originally interested in Rosie, only for the Ultimate Love organizer to introduce new guests, of which Presh Tucker was one of them. David allegedly dumped Rosie for Presh Tucker, and they have remained so since after the show. Although that act by David Wilson has brought hate from fans, he often said he doesn't regret his action as he only followed his heart. A few hours ago, David Wilson took to his microblogging platform on Instagram to share loved up moments of him and his partner. Sharing this photo, he captioned it "Greatness" as Presh David. It seems David Wilson and Presh Tucker are really enjoying themselves amidst the criticism they receive, as some fans claim their relationship is not balanced. Some even said in a recent picture he shared that he looks like a houseboy and that Presh Tucker is controlling him, and that David Wilson cannot wait for this lockdown to be over so he can leave, as he's stuck in an hotel with Presh Tucker. What are your thoughts, guys? Let me know in the comment section. Also, we wish Presh David the best and hope their relationship leads them to saying "Yes, I do." Please, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.